2021 Toyota RAV4 Prime, an affordable SUV. Toyota is carrying on with its quest to achieve excellence in SUV making. This year, it is adding a new RAV4 model to the crossovers lineup for 2021 in the form of all-new Toyota RAV4 Prime plug-in hybrid. The 2021 Toyota RAV4 Prime is a much more interesting and more compelling plug-in hybrid than the Prius Prime, a similar venture, ever was. Toyota RAV4 Prime prospects in the US. The most popular Japanese automaker's hybrid model in the US is no longer the Toyota Prius, as it has now been replaced by the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid, which saw sales climb by 92.3% last year. And now it's made in the USA. RAV4, a crossover SUV, made its debut in Japan and Europe in 1994 and in the US in 1995. The all-new model RAV4 Prime could find a large market in the US as SUV sales have lately surged in the country. RAV4 hybrid production is being carried out locally in the US. Toyota might have plans to assemble the all-new 2021 RAV4 Prime in the US as well. The fifth-generation RAV4 Prime is billed as the most powerful RAV4 ever, offering an estimated 302 combined net horsepower and cutting-edge technology. The fifth-generation RAV4 was unveiled at the 2018 New York International Auto Show. It is based on the front-wheel drive Toyota New Global Architecture platform. Pricing and which one to buy. Toyota RAV4 Prime is being offered in the SE and XSE trim levels. These are Toyota's sporty grey designations that come paired with sport-tuned suspensions and more aggressive styling details. SE. A weather and moonproof package is available for the RAV4 Prime SE, adding rain-sensing wipers, a wiper de-icer system, a heated steering wheel, a heated rear seats, and a power sunroof. XSE. A premium package is available for the RAV4 Prime XSE. It includes a weather and moonproof package contents along with the JBL premium sound system, embedded navigation, a head-up display, and a panoramic glass roof. Moreover, the XSE variant of Toyota RAV4 Prime comes with the ventilated front seats. This helps to keep the driver and front passenger cool on summer days. And this package also includes memory for the driver's settings, a 4-way power front passenger seat, and a passive keyless entry for all doors. The list of premium package contents also includes a hands-free power liftgate, a digital rear-view mirror, a 360-degree surround-view camera system, front and rear parking sensors with automatic braking and rear cross-traffic automatic braking. In fact, the RAV4 Prime looks more sporty than sensible, even though it most definitely ticks both boxes. 2020 brings some interior changes in the RAV4 Prime. Chief among these is support for Android Auto, which joins the previously introduced Apple CarPlay and Amazon Alexa integration. Price range. Toyota will release pricing closer to its arrival in dealer showrooms. RAV4 Prime is likely to cost about $36,500, £29,383 to $40,000 and £32,201 before adding optional and additional features. Exterior. The all-new RAV4 Prime has a very sporty style aggressive front end. It makes a statement with its dramatic headlights combined with the vertical LED accent lights and a front lower spoiler. The SE and XSE front bumper treatment includes a prominent chin spoiler that gives the Prime a sporty scowl. This, however, reduces its ground clearance. RAV4 Prime, being an exceptional vehicle known for its performance and style, comes equipped with two-tone 19-inch alloy wheels. Further amplifying RAV4 Prime style are color choices like an available two-tone roof and the new-to-model supersonic red color. Engine and performance. The 2021 Toyota RAV4 Prime SUV has a bigger battery which gives it enough electric range potential to make it truly credible as a part-time electric vehicle. It has an estimated all-electric range of 39 miles, which is substantial. This means for your daily commutes, REV4 Prime's battery has got you covered, especially when you know you can safely run it to zero and let the gasoline engine seamlessly keep the party moving. Additionally, the REV4 Prime's bigger electric motors make it significantly quicker than the REV4 Hybrid on which it's based. A hybrid vehicle which runs fast too, this is all we need. According to Toyota, the REV4 Prime can bring 302 horses to bear and can climb to 60 meters per hour in just 5.8 seconds. The car maker says this time makes the REV4 Prime the second quickest vehicle in its lineup of hybrid compact crossover SUVs. The REV4 Prime is an all-wheel drive vehicle, ideal for steep slopes and cruising on hilly areas. AWD comes in handy when accelerating on loose or snowy surfaces and to provide stabilization when traversing slippery patches. If we talk about the battery, which is an integral part of any hybrid vehicle, its estimated 0 to full recharge time is around 2 hours using 240-volt equipment. Fuel economy. Toyota REV4 Prime as a fully functioning hybrid should come close to the regular REV4 hybrid's rating of 40 mpg combined 41 city and 38 highway. However, there might be a drop of 1 or 2 mpg coming down to 30 odd mpg due to the added battery weight. Nevertheless, given the exceptional engine performance, fuel economy is nothing short of being one of the best. Interior and infotainment system. REV4 Prime's cabin is tailor-made for a comfortable and lively drive with everything designed to help keep you in full control. It comes packaged with a 9 inches multimedia display. Its infotainment system includes advanced features like Amazon Alexa, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, Maps, head-up display. Safety features include a bird's eye view monitor, pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, full-speed range dynamic radar cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist. Potential competitors in the market. There aren't many 5-passenger plug-in hybrids in the market that come close to the REV4 Prime's 39 miles of electric range. Its impressive output of 302 HP and the massive acceleration is unmatched. The Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV has an electric range of 22 miles. Its fuel economy is 25 mpg, which is not impressive at all for a hybrid vehicle. The other potential competitor is the Mini Cooper SE Countryman All-4. This returns a mere 12-mile electric range and similarly lackluster fuel economy of 27 mpg. The Kia Niro plug-in hybrid, a two-wheel drive wagon which is not really an SUV, gives a range of 26 miles and an impressive 46 mpg on gasoline. But still, given the exquisite design and build quality of Toyota REV4 Prime, Kia doesn't compete well. Any competition, if there is, could come from the Subaru Crosstrek Hybrid, which despite the name is a plug-in hybrid like the Prime. However, given its meagre 17 miles of electric range and the sluggish performance, Toyota REV4 Prime wins here too. Expected release date. According to Toyota's press release, the all-new 2021 Toyota REV4 Prime will be released in summer 2020. The new model will be offered in 2 trims levels, SE and XSE. To know more about these kind of videos, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to get notified.